We are making do-it-yourself emoji pancakes for today. And we'll be using sausages to make the faces on the pancakes.
Time to plate food. We're having DIY emoji pancakes today. And we're having Ovaltine whole milk. And for today's fruit, we're having peaches. And our sausages. And for our dessert, we're having a quarter of a donut. And here's our pancakes.
For the DIY emoji. Stay tuned until the end, at the very, very end, and we will show you some pictures of our stuff.
And so, if we want more. And we can't forget our syrup.
And this is our lunch meal for today. As I was saying before, stay tuned, because right after this, I will be, I'll add pictures of what our do-it-yourself emoji faces look like. Alright? Until tomorrow.
Bye-bye.